So, in terms of the actual use case, what if I'm looking at it from the running cost perspective, but for example, we were to make certain processes for the client and so on, right? We build the codes and whatnot so that can use it, a web-based system and so on, a browser-based system. And once you build that, right, there's no ongoing running cost for them, right? Because, for example, the subscription to Claude, that is actually a killer, right? If you are building processes that is dependent on the day-to-day operations that's dependent on Claude, then that in itself can be a killer. The amount of tokens that it consumes, that's where many of those enterprise projects actually fail. They have underestimated the cost, the running cost of such systems.
Sure, that's true. So it does depend. Like if they are doing stuff where they need to build, they need to have Claude APIs plugged in, then that's definitely a little bit different because yeah, there will be costs. But it depends. Like if you're creating like a consumer tool, where it's like a chatbot, and people are going to be asking it like 100 things like every single day, and if you do not account properly, then yes, it can be very, very expensive. Correct. But for a process like, let's just say even like my website process, or even my like the Claude outreach thing where it's helping me to control my Instagram and write my messages and all that. It doesn't use API per se. I do have the $300 Claude subscription, which I use every single month. But other than that, I don't pay anything else. Like for my website, I don't pay a website builder or a website hoster or anything. I just have it hosted free on Vercel. So it's like, there's a lot of things that it will save you costs from. But when it comes to like the AI element, it's just like, it's very different if you're building something that's like an agentic help bot, which uses it's like a Claude wrapper. That is very different from, say, you're just automating a process. Because a lot of the times when you're automating a process, you don't even need judgment from an AI. It's more of algorithms. It's like, hey, if the code is above this price, you do this process. If it's below this price, you do this process. It's all just automated. It's all code automation. But it's a bit different if you need a third-party AI that is like crafting custom messages and replying, and that's a bit different. But even that is not going to be very expensive, and it does depend on the scale.